Alright, welcome to Cooking Conspiracy. I got this fish. I got upsold at the fish market. It's big. I think it's some sort of snapper, but it's good. Some garlic. And ignore the carrots and the zucchini. That's for something else. Fish. Tomato. Parsley. Onions, just because I don't want the fish on the pan. And some white wine, but it's in the fridge right now. So, and some olive oil back there. Salt, pepper, you get the idea.
Alright, let's start. Preheat your oven at about 200 C, 375 Fahrenheit, somewhere in there. And what I'm doing is making a bed of onions. One, because I like onions, and two, I think it lets some air underneath the other side of the fish was good. So put your fish in, and now you're going to salt it. You're going to salt it all over, inside and out. I mean, make sure you get inside the cavity, and this is going to be a theme with all our ingredients here. Make sure you can use some pepper, Get in there nice and deep. Alright, there's your pepper. Alright, what's next? Oh yeah, gotta have that olive oil. This is Mediterranean, can't go without the olive oil. And splash it with some white wine too, Now start stuffing it. Stuff the cavity with some garlic, get some on the outside, inside it out. Get those little cherry tomatoes, I think, or I don't know, some type of tomatoes, parsley, the same thing. Inside, outside, cavity, both sides. Yep, why not throw some on top? A few more onions won't hurt. A little bit of salt, why not? A little bit more oil, why not? Some white wine, so I want some steam as this fish cooks. Alright, cover with tin foil, kind of want to seal, you want to keep the steam inside. You're gonna bake this fish. It was kind of fat, this one took about 45 minutes. I mean, you can check it, but it should be about 40 minutes. Yep, punctured the tin foil, taking it out. Checked it once, about 30 minutes, I had to put it back in a little bit. It'll vary depending on the size of your fish. But the fish should flake, and give it a taste, and if it flakes and it tastes good, then you're good to go. Yeah, that was good. Enjoy, subscribe, give it a like if you want. Thanks, guys. Ciao.